Hey guys, this is Saki from BdThemes. Welcome to our official channel. This time I have come with an exciting announcement that will forever change the worth of your WordPress website. Presenting the Element Pack Mega Menu widget. It's been a while since all you have been asking when BdThemes should have its own Mega Menu plugin. We tried to come up with a Mega Menu plugin that would be a separate add-on for Elementor and a free item. Due to the limitations, the development didn't pass the publishing phase. Since it requires premium codes and Elementor Pro to work, there was no way we could provide it for free to use to our users. Instead, we fused the plugin with Element Pack to make a better, sustainable version of the WordPress Mega Menu. Now it's possible to create any kind of Mega Menu using Elementor and our promising Mega Menu widget. On the display, you are seeing three famous website names. We made an exact copy of their Mega Menu for demo purposes. Let's click on Dribble and you will be able to see the Dribble menu built with Element Pack's Mega Menu. Here you can see the custom menu images, subsections, 2-column menus and all things that can be done using a Mega Menu. The Adidas Mega Menu includes menu categories as well as category images aimed inside the menu field. While the Stripe Mega Menu boosts colorful menu icons that we were able to recreate using our own Mega Menu widget. This menu has segments inside the base menu item and those segments offer different sets of menus for different purposes. There's no end to the possibilities. You can do whatever you want to create the most dynamic and magnificent menus for better user experience. Not only that, using the Mega Menu widget, you can create a WooCommerce shop menu with giant lists of menu items packed in each category. Till this part, we all hope these menus were eye candy to you. Now let me show you the backend functions and configurations for creating Mega Menus with Element Pack and Elementor. First, you have to go to the Element Pack Pro tab from your WordPress dashboard and then click on the Other Settings menu. There you'll have to enable the Mega Menu switcher from below and save settings. After that, go to the Core Widgets tab of Element Pack Pro and there you have to enable the Mega Menu and Sub-menu widgets. Click on the Save Settings button as you are done. As the Mega Menu feature directly interacts with the WordPress core, after enabling it, you would need to resave the permalinks to make it function at 100% and avoid any issues. Now let's create a Mega Menu ourselves by going into the Menus tab under Appearance from the dashboard. Here, name the menu you will be creating and click on the Create Menu button. Now start selecting the base menu items one by one. Let's select custom links and start creating menu items. Once you have them ready, turn on Element Pack Mega Menu switcher. In that instance, all base menu items will be highlighted and ready to be turned into Mega Menus. Now save menu and the page should reload itself. Once that happens, you can start designing the Mega Menus. Notice that hovering over the base menu items will show a Mega Menu option on their right side. Click on that and you will be able to see a pop-up window with Mega Menu Basics. Here, first turn on the Enable Mega Menu button. Second, select the width of the menu. There is a default width given here. Let's go with a custom width. Insert a custom width value that you will display on your page. Then insert a badge text in the field here. The badge will show close to the base menu item and works as a highlighter. You can use it or you can leave it blank. You can customize the base menu icon here from the library and then choose a suitable icon color. Now click on the Save Mega Menu button to save it. After that, hover on the top and click on the Edit Mega Menu Content button. Now this will open another pop-up window with Elementor Editor panel where you should be able to design your mega menu however you like. Here, let's search and drag the sub-menu widget inside the section. Then select one column for the menu. There are available options like style, row column gap, alignment, and switchers for heading, subtitle, etc. If you turn on the dynamic menu switcher, you can select one of your existing menu, create it with WordPress dashboard, and turn it into a sub-menu for the mega menu. For instance, let's select the main menu of Element Pack website. We'll switch back to the static menu. Now let's open a blank page with Elementor where we'll put this mega menu to test. First, reload the page. Now drag the mega menu widget inside the page. Then select the video menu that we have just created. Now you can see the mega menu icon and custom static menu inside the home menu. Also, you can see the badge above it. If you want, you can flip the menu from the horizontal to vertical position from the settings. We have already created several mega menus to show you how they look. We are selecting the Woodmart menu. This is a WooCommerce menu built for fashion and furniture websites. Unfolding the control window, you can turn this mega menu into a mobile hamburger menu from the options. Selecting the responsive mode will show it to you. Let's check it out. The Style tab has a separate section to customize the hamburger menu to suit your preferences. Clicking on the hamburger menu will unfold the mega menu in sizes suitable for mobile display. Let's add a background color with a custom icon color. You can see links, images, product prices, and sliders all arranged neatly inside the mega menu. You can also add brand logos using grids inside the menu panel. For the drop-down part, you'll find the settings inside the drop-down section. The same controls can be used for all three modes of the menu and can be customized for better responsiveness. Alright, now we are going back to the menu tab inside the dashboard. You can see the close button on the top left corner of the window here. After saving, click on it and the window will close, revealing the menu dashboard from where we left earlier. Now close it too, then save the menu. Here, let's select our Stripe menu from the options. Wait for it to load. Okay, now here it is. Let's click on the Edit Mega Menu for the first base menu item, then click on the Edit Mega Menu Content button. You can see the colorful sub-menu items listed on the page. You can switch between the three pre-made layout styles given for the mega menu. As these are static menu items, you can always customize them by their icon, title, subtitle, badge, and link from the next section. Also, you can find individual color settings for each menu item. Additionally, you can choose to hide icon or subtitle on devices to reduce the required space for the menu. Not to mention all the style customizations from the Style tab. And of course, you are not limited to using the sub-menu to design the mega menu. Of course, it helps a lot, but you can design the mega menu with any widget or anything you like. Now that's all for today. Enjoy using the mega menu widget to create awesome website menus and boost user experience further. We hope we brought you the right tool for your needs right now. Thanks for enjoying this video. Please like, share and subscribe to get super quick updates on the upcoming videos. Stay safe. See you next time.